Alright, so data types in TypeScript. So in JavaScript, when we define a particular variable, we don't generally define its data type. So which might cause problem for a large application if we do not handle the edge cases properly. And that is where TypeScript comes up with its strongly typed feature. So in TypeScript, it helps us to define a variable with its proper data types. Okay, so let's see some example. So first I'll create a simple file as test01.typescript. Okay, so I'll first define a variable. Let's say let username sndef. Now this is the JavaScript syntax, but we are using TypeScript. So what we'll do, a colon, this will be string. So username will always be string. Okay, now let's say another example. We have age, simple 21, no, colon, number. And here is the thing, in TypeScript we use number, not integer or float. Single thing number. Okay, so we have these two things. Now let us see the example where TypeScript helps us. Let's say username, I want to change the username to sn. I can do that, no issue. But let's say I want to change username up to 12. You see there is an red error. It's saying that type number is not assignable to type string. That's where, and this is what we need while developing a large application, that we need the debugging at the time of coding here. Okay, so now let's see what would be the JavaScript file for this TypeScript file, because we need to understand TypeScript first transpiled into JavaScript and then it's compiled into the machine code, and then we get to see all those whatever we see in the web. Okay, so for that I'll run this command tsc test01.ts. Alright, you see this test0.js, this test01.js, and this is the JavaScript function, like the JavaScript version. So here let me try it out. Username is string, but you know what, I want to change it to, I want to assign a number to this 43. No error. That's the problem. Okay, so that was that I had to say in this video. So yeah, thanks for watching.